Download the U.S. Constitution for free at steelization.com.
The Bill of Rights and subsequent amendments to the Constitution reflect the values of liberty, equality, and justice that are fundamental to the American system of government. These rights ensure that individuals are protected from government overreach and have the ability to exercise their freedoms without fear of oppression. It is important for all Americans to be aware of their rights and actively defend them to maintain a democratic and fair society. First Amendment. The First Amendment protects freedom of speech, religion, press, assembly and petition. This that individuals have the right to express themselves freely and practice their religion without interference from the. For example, the landmark case of New York Times Company v. Sullivan established that public figures must prove actual malice in order to successfully sue for defamation. Second Amendment. The Second Amendment protects the right to bear arms, allowing individuals to own firearms for self-defense and other lawful purposes. This right has been a topic of controversy in recent years, with debates over gun control and the interpretation of the amendment's language. Third Amendment. The Third Amendment prohibits the forced quartering of soldiers in private homes during peacetime without the consent of the homeowner. This amendment was a response to the quartering acts passed by the British government during the colonial period. Fourth Amendment. The Fourth Amendment protects against unreasonable searches and seizures, requiring law enforcement to obtain a warrant based on probable cause before conducting a search or seizure. This protection ensures that individuals have the right to privacy and are protected from government intrusion. Fifth Amendment. The Fifth Amendment guarantees due process of law, protection against double jeopardy, self-incrimination, and eminent domain. This amendment ensures that individuals are entitled to fair treatment by the legal system and cannot be forced to incriminate themselves. Sixth Amendment. The Sixth Amendment guarantees the right to a speedy and public trial, impartial jury, legal counsel, and the confrontation of witnesses. This amendment ensures that individuals accused of crimes are afforded their rights to a fair trial and legal representation. Seventh Amendment. The Seventh Amendment guarantees the right to a jury trial in civil cases involving disputes over property or money. This amendment ensures that individuals have the opportunity to have their case decided by a jury of their peers. Eighth Amendment. The Eighth Amendment prohibits excessive bail, fines, and cruel and unusual punishment. This amendment ensures that individuals are not subjected to harsh or unfair treatment by the government. Ninth Amendment. The Ninth Amendment states that the enumeration of certain rights in the Constitution shall not be construed to deny or disparage other rights retained by the people. This amendment ensures that the rights of the people are not limited to those explicitly listed in the Constitution. Tenth Amendment. The Tenth Amendment reserves powers not delegated to the federal government to the states or the people. This amendment reinforces the principle of federalism and limits the authority of the federal government.